Now, our rain chances do come to an end as we move through the day today. We've got smoky skies and unhealthy air quality, unfortunately, as temperatures are set to climb in the days to come. Right now, that is what it looks like. This is a live look outside. This right here is the sun. As it rises up, we're starting to see it a little more because most of the smoke starts settling into the low levels of the atmosphere. When you get wildfire smoke, you have stuff in it. There's all that particulate that's burning. You got some carbon dioxide. You've got some water vapor in there. And a lot of that particulate will wind up settling down. Gravity is a pretty amazing thing the way it works. So it pulls that down to the ground. Your carbon dioxide, your water vapor, that starts dissipating into the air. So you wind up with more smoke closer to the ground than higher up. I actually was in a plane over the weekend, took a picture out the window because you could see that stark difference where all that smoke was down below. Kind of incredible. Unhealthy air quality right now, and it's likely to remain there as you move through the day today. You can see it's pretty widespread across the region. Likely becomes more widespread as we move through the next few hours. You can see it might even get worse at times. We might even approach very unhealthy. We'll clear out a little bit tomorrow as we get a little bit of a change in our weather pattern, but for the most part, air quality alerts in place as it does remain quite nasty. We've got a shifting weather pattern and sunshine messing with our satellite imagery, but here's what you need to know. Excessive heat watches are in place for tomorrow and Wednesday as temperatures are set to soar. Today, we're back in the 90s. Tomorrow, we're back near 100, and by Wednesday, we are in the triple digits here in Spokane. It's kind of likely what we wind up seeing is an advisory turning into an excessive heat warning for just how warm it's going to be. Temperatures in the 60s right now, climbing up into the 90s later on today for all of us. Richland, you're up to 103, close to 100 in Lewiston, up in Omak. Tomorrow, you're easily in the triple digits in those locations. It's likely we get close here in Spokane and in parts of North Idaho, but it is going to be even warmer as we get into the day on Wednesday. We build in a quick ridge, then we start to see this shift in the weather pattern, bring about the chance of some scattered showers as we move into the second half of the week. But here's what I'm going to tell you about it. Those chances, not great. I think it's very similar to what we saw over the weekend. That's not any sort of drought busting kind of rain. But what that does do is it arrives with a cold front. So our temperatures go from 90s and triple digits back down to 90 on Thursday. And by the time we get into the weekend, that's true. Your eyes aren't deceiving you. Saturday, a high of 75 degrees with a few isolated showers in the forecast. And hey, if these showers don't offer us drought relief, what they might do is help clear out our atmosphere just a little bit and improve air quality.